Hi. Now we will do one question 2025 Neet Physics on MCQ. The question says two Polaroids are kept cross to each other like this 90 degrees. Then another third Polaroid is introduced with an angle 22.5 degrees. The angle remain here, it will be equal to 67.5 degrees. So this is the question given. In the question is asking you to find out what is the intensity through which the light pass through the third Polaroids. Polaroids means they are the glass which is made up of special glasses which is made up of small lines through which the light intensity will be passed through it. That is the actually made up of such a things you have already studied in wave optics. Those things you remember, and then we will proceed this. So how to do this problem? The intensity with which the coming out is given is 0 from first Polaroids. So intensity is decreased. Then again it will pass through second. Intensity again decreases. It will become I1. Then remain when this I1 is passed through the third one, it will pass through I2. It will be passed with intensity I2. So using this smallest formula, one can easily solve this. Very simple. You need to remember trigonometrical functions and formulas, then easily you can do it. One is very important, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Another one is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. These two formulas I am going to use. I think you know all those things because those who are going for NEET, they should be in a good position of understanding mathematics. That is very important. So let's start with I1. I1 will become I0, intensity which is coming out from the first one, cos square theta. Theta is how much? 22.5. Right? This is the one. Then next I2 is again I1. Because this intensity is entering this. So I1 cos, again same formula, cos, but angle is 67.5. So I1 if you submit, what will you get? I0. Cos square 22.5. Again, this cos square theta can be written as sin square 22.5. This is the final expression. This is generally you know how to substitute and all. With mathematics, you can easily understand. Then what is this 22 point? When I use cos square 22 point, you will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Just now I told you. Because cos 2 theta is 45, then you can get here I0. So what you get? 1 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by 2. And 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the one, the first one. Then sin square I told you already, 1 minus. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this means A plus B, A minus B. This is very simple. Already you know very well. So this simple one will be easily you can calculate here. So 1 A square minus B square. A square means 1 by 4 minus B square means 1 by 4 into 2. It will become 8. So then when you go it here I square 1 by 4, this will become what will happen? 2 minus 1 by 8. So LCM if you take it, I0 divided by 8. Children, this is the method you have to do. The intensity with which it will be coming out from the third Polaroid is 8 times reduced. There is a bit answers in that you have to select 1 by A, y I0 by 8. This is the way you have to do. ऐसा करने से आपको आराम से आ जाएगा, मगर इसमें है फॉर्मूलास को याद रखना बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो एक क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है वो, एक्चुअली अनपोलराइज्ड लाइट पास थ्रू क्या हो रहा है, फर्स्ट पोलराइड से I0 हो गया I0 पास हो गए तो I1 हो गया, I1 पास हो गए तो I2 हो गया। और हम लोगों को ऑलरेडी 12th क्लास में पढ़ा दिया मॉलस फार्मूला, उस फार्मूला को यूज करना है। सो I1 में I0 का स्क्वायर 22.5, I2 में इंटेंसिटी जो होगा I1 का स्क्वायर 67.5। सो जस्ट आपको ऐसी सॉल्व करते करते जाके फिर फार्मूला को, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शंस को आपने 11th क्लास में पढ़ा, वो 11th क्लास का जो मैथमेटिक्स है वो याद रखना। नॉन मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स, यू शुड लर्न ट्रिग्नोमेट्री परफेक्टली, देन ओनली यू कैन डू फिजिक्स प्रॉब्लम्स। सो ऐसा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री अच्छा है। तो इसका फार्मूला हो गया 1 माइनस, यहाँ पर मैंने दे दिया 1 प्लस cos 2 थीटा 2 times of 22.5, it will become 45, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin square क्या हो गया, वो cos को sin में कन्वर्ट करें तो sin square 22.5 आता है, उसका हो जाएगा 1 minus cos 45, उसका हो जाएगा 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. I think you understood this. And just simple mathematics, you use it, the intensity is reduced by 8 times. Intensity 8 गुना कम हो जाएगा। सो इसलिए ये पोलराइड्स जनरली सन प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, आइस प्रोटेक्शन के लिए यूज करता है। कभी कभी अच्छा एरोप्लेन में विंडो फैंस के लिए यूज करते हैं, जो क्योंकि वो जब हाई अल्टीट्यूड में जब प्लेन जा रहा तो उसका लाइट इंटेंसिटी बहुत ज्यादा होता है, इसलिए उसको कम करने के लिए ये पोलराइड्स यूज करता है। पोलराइड्स are very important chapter. Polarization is very important. Polarization is nothing but when a light intense unpolarized light pass through the polarides, what will happen, its intensity decreases because it restricts the vibrations of electromagnetic wave in one direction. That you should know. So these are the basic things I just wanted to give you in your YouTube. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. This is my number. This is my ID. This is I am giving you most expected questions and class 12th students physics. Thank you, children. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.